Hi everyone, welcome in Excel trick. Today we are doing the new trick. In this we will say how the AI will be help in Excel. So this is a new add-in that available in Excel and that is totally free. Let's see in Excel. So this is my Excel worksheet. You can see here we have some data and we will do some manipulation on this data. So first of all we need to add here the add-in. So I'm going into the insert tab, then we have the get add-ins. Then you need to write here AI formula add-ins. So if you search for the AI formula add-ins, then they will be show you the AI added formula. Okay, so AI added formula. Then you can see here we have the first option here, AI added formula editor. You need to click on the add. If you click on the add, then you can see here the form that will be added in your Excel worksheet, and you can see in the above the ribbon. Then you need to click here the AI added formula editor, and you need to click first of all you have to log in with your personal ID or the uh, with your Microsoft ID. Let's suppose I log in with my personal ID, then I click on the AI generator. Then you have to click on AI generator. In the AI generator is showing the describe your formula, which formula you want. So simple English you have to write it here. Let's suppose I want to calculate the sum. So I will write here sum to D2 to D21. So this is my cell. I want to calculate these cells. So they will be show us some formula. Okay, this is generated by AI. So AI generated one formula here. So you can write anything here and calculate the formula. Then let's suppose if I'm writing here to calculate the grade. Okay, how to calculate the grade? So it will be simply I'm writing here, write a function in E column and calculate the grade if score is if score is A. Okay, if score is 90, then write a grade A. If score is 90 to 80, then write the B grade, or if 80 to 60, then give us C, then else is give the fail. Okay, I click on the submit. Now you can see here I submitted here and is showing the formula. Okay, this is my formula. Simply I need to copy this and I need to paste here. So this is very easy add-in. So you can calculate you can write any formula using this add-in. So this is all about this add-in. So how we can add this add-in and how we can use the AI generated formulas in Excel. So you can see here I drag it down. Now it is showing the proper the output here. If 69 is showing the C, and if it 70 is showing C, but if my score is greater than 90, so it's showing the A. So this is this simply you have to write like this. Like here I want to calculate the total class sum. So I will writing here write. So I click on the submit. Now you can see here it will be generate a new function. This is function. Simply you need to copy and you need to paste in the place where you want to put. Okay, you can see here this is the total class marks and this is my grades. So this is all about the AI added formula editor, how we can edit, how we can use the AI features in the Excel. Thank you guys.